Yes.
Oh my God! 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 Oh my God!
Don't attend your
as
own
promised,
funeral, as Phil Shipley.
a special
feature.
show. Double feature. It's a double feature, which you haven't seen since drive-ins disappeared. It's a double
still
feature
around. They're
foreclosure forecast or foreclosure info. Frank, you are up again. You okay? Did you get some water?
Yes.
I know this is a long time for you to talk because you usually sit there the whole show and say nothing.
Bullet
Okay,
points.
here's the question or the topic. Will the foreclosure seller make repairs for me or give me repair credit? I think more.
This is a good
well,
one.
I think more
Will
to the
the
point
bank-
is, what are the odds that the seller
That
in
the
a
bank-
foreclosure, meaning big banks, will make repairs or give me repair
I like
credit?
this topic.
The odds are very low.
Odds
Very,
are very
very
low.
low.
Do you have any type of number for us, Frank?
Well, the
Negative 3%?
The only true credit or repairs that the sellers are willing to give are,
Big
and actually,
banks?
it's going to be more of a repair, or is a lender required repair.
Right.
I had
Okay,
this,
so those I've
safety
seen.
and something.
It's
they're a
Right.
condition in order for the
Roof
loan to
inspection
fund.
or something like
Well,
that. Or,
Will they
I-
fix
I-
a roof if the inspector says it sucks?
It depends if the
It's not the
extent
space,
of the
maybe the
damage is
appraiser.
obvious and visible, and
Right.
you as a seller, and this would be your fault, accepted that FHA buyer, you should expect that there's going to be a stringent FHA appraiser that will inspect and visibly see it and call it out. You're going to have to do something about it. And
Frank, I sensed in that statement that perhaps realtors
recently
representing banks as sellers may not like or may shy away from FHA buyers.
It's possible.
no, it's a
You said
no.
Well,
that
no,
you
and-
got to
and-
realize
It's not like
if you
an
accept that FHA buyer,
an educated selling agent,
they must listen to our show.
yes, they will know that certain loan types have certain requirements, and they're not going to waste everybody's time by accepting an offer on a home that they know will not pass inspection
And-
by the lender.
And let's say that home received offers from cash buyers,
Right.
likely, but there's the one FHA buyer who actually bid market on it because they know the values of the neighborhood.
Right.
And all the other cash buyers were substantially lower.
Like they always
so,
are.
So the seller might say to themselves, well, this FHA buyer is offering what is truly market, which might be $25,000 more than all the other cash buyers. They'd look at my report, they look at their contractor's report, and say to themselves, that roof probably can't be any more than 10 grand. So we may go ahead and expect that we're going to have to fix 10, 15 grand worth of stuff, but
You're still
in the end, we're still
black.
up. We're going to make 10 or 15,
Right,
5
so
or
it's-
10 more than all the cash buyers were offering. And we like the fact that we're going to sell it to a owner-occupant on top of it, you know. So,
Right.
So the odds of them doing it is low, but things
It's-
that have
yeah.
what's that? Safety and what?
Health and safety
Health and
issues.
safety issues.
Yeah.
You're going to do. They're going to
Yeah.
do no matter what because
Yeah.
they have to. They're required.
but when the
Anything else that they're
when
going
the,
to do?
when
No.
the buyer does get that counter and it says as is, no repairs, no credits, things like that, more than likely that seller knows that the house doesn't really have a whole lot going wrong with it.
What if they do know? What if there are issues in there that
Remember,
Well, if
it's
they
a
do know,
business.
they disclose it and they anticipate it and they expect it. But 9 times out of 10, the repair is not going to be based on your professional home inspection report. It's only going to be what's
Visual
justifiable
inspection by the
on the
appraiser.
appraisal. It's got to be laid out in stone what's wrong on the appraisal. What is a conditional repair in order for this loan to actually take place? And that's when they'll fix something.
are pictures like super important?
Yeah. I mean,
Because you just can't say, well, there's a hole in the side of the wall.
No,
You got to
appraisal
take a
will
picture.
print
Right.
out
Appraiser's going to have
Yeah.
pictures of the actual needed repair in the appraisal. I send the appraisal
What if the
to
appraiser
seller.
doesn't make note of something that the buyer thinks is a pretty messed up?
If the
situation?
not
appraiser
required.
doesn't call it out,
That could
it's
be a
not
problem.
happening.
Not
And
many.
Seriously?
I've had selling agents try to coerce appraisers to call something out, you know, and that's
So the
illegal,
agents
too.
representing
They're
the
not supposed
buyers
to do that. Yeah.
got a hold of the appraiser and
And
said,
said,
hey, make
"Hey."
sure you get this in your inspection
Yeah.
because I really want my buyers to
And
have new
from
double pane
appraisers that I-
windows or something.
And from what the appraisers I've talked to, they try to pretend that they never received that call because that's
Against the law?
interfering.
It's
The
illegal.
lender, the buyer,
You're
the-
fired.
The lender, the buyer, the agent, me, the seller, no one's supposed to interfere with the appraiser's job and their duty. We can't influence them or
You can't talk to them at all?
You're not even
Let's
allowed
say
to
that
talk to
again.
them. No.
What? Say it again.
Lenders
Yeah?
are not allowed to talk to the appraisals. They're completely independent of.
You're
Is there supposed to be a third
I
party
sense
neutral?
in your statement that there are lenders out there who do talk to appraisers
No.
and may try
No.
to
Sense
influence.
that was a big-
buyers expect
Yeah.
that lenders.
Buyers expect their lenders
They
to
come to you. How come?
give a little
blah, blah,
influence.
blah, blah, and just-
Yeah.
We can't. Yeah.
Can you go over to Avito and ask him to talk to the appraiser for you?
No, a buyer thinks that you should be able to negotiate with the
Right.
appraiser. That's even though appraisals are subjective, they think that we have some sort of control
Right.
over it when
And
we
we
don't.
They think that
Those
you
were all
work
the
in
big laws that
tandem.
those were all the big
HVCC.
laws that the HVCC. Yeah, there was a lot of laws passed because there were some
Shady
appraisers
shenanigans
and
going on.
appraisers that were coercively working with.
Coercively? Coercively. Is that a word?
is
Okay,
today.
they were bribed.
It is
They were. You,
For this topic, that's a word.
It was strongly suggested.
So, Frank, was that the
Break-
collusion. That's
Breaking
what I
it
was
down,
looking for.
don't expect the seller to make any kind of repairs or credits unless it's
Collusion.
agreed to ahead of time, of course, or if it's called out by the appraiser in a condition in order for the loan to fund. Besides that, all your cosmetic needs or wants from your home inspection and all the ugly things you're going to find out, because the inspector's job is to do that, is to paint the worst picture of the property possible. They're just not going to do it unless it's an absolute mandated repair.
Okay. Can that be part of negotiation? Have you seen it as part of the negotiation where the buyer actually negotiates in a repair?
Here and there, maybe they know right off the bat that water heater is corroding or something, and it may get called out. They might negotiate ahead of time. The buyer right off the bat's going to ask for credit for the water heater, because we all kind of know it's going to happen. Whether it's going to happen now or later, it's going to happen. Depending on the buyer.
Can you negotiate it into the price? Like, I offered 150
Yeah.
and the bank took it, right? But I know that that's about 10 grand worth of repairs that I really need to live in this house. Can you say, Mr. and Mrs. Bank, I'm going to give you 160 and
Not so much
make
with
those repairs? That way you
foreclosures.
can kind of finance it, or
Remember,
just got to
you're
go
buying-
203.
you're
really-
buying
that-
as is.
That's
This is
really,
the-
really common with equity sales.
Yeah.
In equity sales, you're asking them to replace the outlet covers.
Usually they're not going to do that. They'll do that move if you want a closing cost paid for. If the house is $150 and you offer them $160 and ask for $10 back for your closing costs, that's how that one usually works out.
Did you
more
break it down,
rather than
Frank?
repairs.
Still has to meet.
Quick,
Yes.
we're on reserve power. Break it down.
I know.
Breaking it down.
At least
Don't
finish
ask
on a
for
second.
nothing.